Hello guys, today I will discuss Google Colaboratory. Google Colaboratory is in fact a Jupyter Notebook like software that you can use on the cloud. This service is provided by the Google Incorporation and it is free. To run the Google Colaboratory, just write Google's Google Colab in Google search engine and your first option will be Google Colaboratory. Click on Google Colaboratory and your first page will be this screen where Google introduce the Google Colaboratory. So this page is enough to for the introduction of Google Colaboratory. So here it is described that Google Colaboratory or Colab in short allow you to write and execute Python in your browser with zero configuration required, free access to GPU and easy sharing. So all these three options are available in Google Colaboratory. Whether you are a student, data scientist or AI researcher, you can use Google Colaboratory. If you want to watch more about Google Colaboratory, you can click this screen and watch. However, during this course, I will discuss all the functions of Google Colaboratory that is required for you write and run the program related to the financial analysis. This Google Collaboratory, this page itself is not a static page, but it is a interactive notebook where you can write and run program. So this is a small program. If I want to run this program, I just click on this icon and your program will run. So one by one, cell by cell, you can run the program. There are two type of cell. One is code cell, another is text cell. So this is the code cell. Code cell is used to write the code and run the program. Text cell is used to describe your program, and it is a very powerful text cell that you can use and to write and edit the text in this place. If you want to start your first file where you can write program or you can run the program, go to the file option, click on new notebook, and here the new notebook is available. By default, this first cell is to write and run the program. If you want to insert text cell, just click on the text button and this is the text. You can change the place of the text by using this arrow key, and this is very useful. If you have already written program, then it will automatically save in your Google Drive. So if you want to open your previous program, then you can click on file, here click on file and click on open notebook and select your previous program. If you want to upload the file that you have created in Jupyter Notebook, use this upload button. So that's all for this short introduction of Google Collaboratory. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.